Hi everyone, myself Kajal Tyagi. In this video, I will explain how to build a budget of personal finance, and I will explain what is personal finance, why is it important to learn personal finance skill, what is budgeting, how most financial experts suggest building a budget. The ultimate process of budgeting will be discussed at the end of the video. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So what is personal finance? Personal finance is nothing but the way you handle your money. All the financial decisions and activities like earning, saving, investing and spending of an individual or a household covers under it. Okay, it covers variety of money topics like budgeting, debt, expenses, saving, retirement and insurance, and it is the ultimate path to financial freedom. So why is it important to learn personal financial skills? It is important to learn this skill because if you don't learn, you will slave for money your entire life. You would remain always in debt. You will never get ahead in life, and you would live a life that would full of unfulfilled wishes, and all the life you would think that money is evil. And if you learn this precious skill, it would help you to decide prudent investment choices. It would lead to your higher saving rates in your life, and effective budgeting will help you to secure your finances, and it will ultimately help you in long run and in achieving your financial goals. So what is budgeting? Budgeting is nothing but a financial plan for a defined period, say 6 months or a 1 year or a 2 year. It is a breakdown of income and expenses. It identifies financial priorities, act as a track to move on in life. It acts as a balance between income and expenses, and it is a roadmap for financial goals as well. So it is basically a statement which is a long-term financial planning. How most financial experts suggest building a budget? They would suggest you to draw a template spreadsheet in which you would write down all your income and expenses, and I would say the design of your template spreadsheet would not help you in setting the entire financial picture, and they would advise to limit your expenses as well. So the question is, you should focus on your expenses or your income. The focus should be on your income. That is, you should focus on increasing your means of income, not to limit your expenses. The ultimate process of budgeting is the final topic I am discussing here. And the ultimate process of budgeting will help you to secure a future which is a great future to you. So the first step is pay yourself. What do you mean by pay yourself first? Pay yourself first means you should allocate at least 10% of each account, at least 10% of your income to each account. Which account? The accounts are saving account, investing account and charity account, and this should be your important priority. And the next step is building a personal financial statement, that is income statement and balance sheet. In income statement, it is a T-shaped account in which you write down your income and expenses. The income would include ordinary and portfolio income and the passive income, and the examples of ordinary income are wages,